In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from a Samsung phone to your iPhone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to transfer a file to your iPhone, then let me show you how to do this. So on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you want to go ahead and open up the image or the file that you want to transfer. Next, you want to tap on the share icon here at the bottom. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on quick share. Now you want to go ahead and tap on OK. Now since Samsung and iPhone are two different companies, you want to go ahead and tap on this QR code here at the top right. This will now create a QR code. So on your iPhone, you want to go ahead and open up the camera app. Here you want to go ahead and scan that code on your iPhone. Once you've scanned it, you'll get this message here, open in Chrome. Now this will open up a secure link from Samsung where basically it has shared the file over the internet. So this is the file which we want to transfer. And if you want this file, go ahead and tap on download. This will now download the file to your iPhone. And there you go. That is how to transfer file between your Samsung phone to your iPhone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.